Hi friends, this video shows how to do screen mirroring. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. First go to settings. Select the settings icon from top. Go to device preferences. Go down. So here we can see Chromecast built in. So we have to ensure that TV has Chromecast feature. So that is the first thing we have to ensure. Then go up. Let me check the name of the TV. Go to about, and here we can see the name of the TV, Android TV. That is a name. We can edit this name. We can give any name here. So this is the name of the TV which I am using. Then after that, we need to connect both TV and mobile phone to same Wi-Fi network. Again go to settings, then go to network and internet. Here you can see I have connected this TV to Wi-Fi network Wi-Fi 2024. We can also use mobile hotspot. Okay, just connect this TV to Wi-Fi network or mobile hotspot. Then let me go to mobile. In mobile phone, let me open settings. Go to settings, then go to network and internet. You can see this mobile phone also connected to same Wi-Fi network. So mobile phone also we need to connect to same Wi-Fi network or mobile hotspot. Okay, after that in mobile phone open Google Play Store, then install this app, Google Home app. So we have to install this app. I already installed it. Let me open. So this is a Google Home app. In Google Home app we need to log in with Gmail ID and password. Then tap on this devices, tap here. So here we can see the name of the TV, Android TV. This is the name. This Google Home app will automatically search and detect Chromecast enabled devices in the same Wi-Fi network. So here you can see this Google Home app has detected my TV. Tap on this TV name. Then here we can see cast my screen. Tap on that. Then tap on cast screen. Then tap on start now. Okay, see, it's working. This is a little bit slow. That is because it depends on your Wi-Fi network. So now it's fast. So initially it was slow, now it's fast. See. Okay. If you want to switch display to full screen, in mobile phone you can enable screen rotation, then just rotate the phone. That way we can switch display to full screen in TV. So if you want to stop this, again go to Google Home app. Here we can see stop mirroring. We can tap on stop mirroring. See, disconnected. So this way we can do screen mirroring. Please check it.